You know, it's funny. What H.P. Lovecraft did to, I guess, your average ghost story, is kind of what I did to him. And as a result, I'm out here in this just void of space, in this outer realm that nobody can really comprehend. I mean, this guy, he had correspondences, other authors. I guess he had something called the Lovecraft Circle. This is how far beyond him, no offense, that I am, because there can be no Arya's circle. Okay? The people most loyal to Arya are the denizens of hell. Okay? Arya doesn't need friends because of how disturbingly close these things keep tabs on me, watch me, hex me, whatever. Okay? It's as close as they can get, and it's way too close, and yet so far. So anyways, yeah, I don't need no fucking circle of fellow bitch-ass authors or anything like that. I got these damn demons circling me. Like some vultures, some vain vultures. So saying that Cthulhu is an owner of Pornhub, Nyarlathotep is a Mind Geek member, owner of Pornhub, etc., Brazzers, all that. I'm saying, do you see... To say Cthulhu is out there is one thing. And to describe Cthulhu and his awakening or summoning or what have you, that's one thing. But to talk about his human form, and then for that to be his... Do y'all see how just out there and how... Like, this shit is as bizarre, that I'm saying is as bizarre and fucked up as reality.